Custom supplement manufacturer NutraCap Labs offers individuals who are looking to start their own private label supplement line with superior manufacturing services. We have over 100,000 square feet of high-quality raw materials that allows us to produce virtually any supplement or vitamin that you want, all while providing you with industry-best lead times and low bottle minimums. Unlike many supplement manufacturers who are really brokers, we are an actual factory that produces your supplements. You can schedule a tour of our Norcross facility with founder John Westhauser and meet our formulation specialists to discuss your needs. We offer a 3-step process you can start right now from home to develop a unique formula for your supplements and new logos and labels for your products. Get started today and let us handle the rest. Call 800-688-5956 to start your private label supplement line.